Now we're going to start by making a slip stitch, and you can do this in whatever way is most comfortable for you. And once you've created your slip stitch for this stitch pattern, you're going to do a foundation chain that is a multiple of 5 plus 4. So you can do it as long as you want, using a multiple of 5 plus 4. So for this sample, I'll be doing 24 chain stitches. Now once you've completed the 24 chain stitches, go ahead and count 6 stitches from your hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in this stitch, we're going to go ahead and do a double crochet. To do a double crochet, go ahead and yarn over your hook. And in the 6th stitch, which is here, we're going to insert our hook and pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Now that's your first double crochet. And if you have a marker, go ahead and take the marker. Now once you've placed your marker inside the stitch, in that same stitch where we placed our first double crochet, we're going to go ahead and do 3 more double crochets. So we should have 4 double crochets in total. So go ahead and yarn over and insert your hook, and then pull up a loop. And then we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 double crochets, and we're going to go ahead and complete 2 more. Now once you have 4 double crochets inside the stitch, go ahead and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And once you chain 3, we're going to do our last double crochet inside this same stitch. So chain 1, and inside this stitch where we already have our 4 double crochets, we're going to complete our last double crochet. Now once completed, we're going to count 5 chains from this stitch. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the 5th chain, we're just going to go ahead and repeat. So 4 double crochets inside this stitch. Two, 3, 4. And after completing 4 double crochets inside the stitch, chain 3, 2, 3, and then complete the last double crochet inside that same stitch. Now once completed, we're just going to go ahead and repeat that. So again, count 5 chain stitches from the last stitch here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and repeat the pattern. 4 double crochets inside the stitch. And once 4 double crochets have been done, go ahead and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and complete the last double crochet inside the stitch. And again, count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and repeat. So we're going to do that stitch once again. Now once you've completed the last slanted granny stitch, you should have 3 chain stitches left. So 1, 2, 3, and in the last chain stitch, we're going to do a double crochet to close out the round. And once done, go ahead and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn your work. Now in the third chain, you can go ahead and place another marker to mark where you should be starting the next round. Now in the space that's here, and this space would have been created by the 3 chains that we would have done after doing our first 4 double crochets inside the stitch. So this chain, we're going to go ahead and continue our pattern. So 4 double crochets inside the stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and after doing that, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then do 1 double crochet inside the same space. That's going to create a space in the middle, which is where we'll be doing each of our stitches in the preceding rounds. So in each space that follows, we're just going to go ahead and continue the pattern. And I'm going to go ahead and complete the pattern in the last stitch. Now after completing the last slanted granny stitch of the row, we're going to go ahead and remove our marker. And it's in this stitch where the marker is where we're going to close out the round. So in that stitch, go ahead and create a double crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn your work. And in that third stitch, we're going to go ahead and insert our marker. Now that's pretty much how we do this stitch. In each of the rows going forward, we're going to complete the pattern wherever we have this space, and then chain 3, turn our work, and repeat all over again until we're finished. Now if you haven't done so as yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions at all in the comments, and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching. Bye.